am again off on one of my adventures. You know, here in Vancouver, it's really rare to have snow on the ground and sun in the sky on the same day. So I figured I've got to get out there and do some filming. So I decided to go for a hike in one of my other favorite places, Lynn Canyon.
Lynn Canyon is a popular spot for hiking and sightseeing. It's a natural river gorge just northeast of Lynn Valley in North Vancouver. There are lots of trails to explore, and it's also a gateway for longer and more challenging hiking trails that go up into the mountains. There is a large chalet that has full amenities. Parking space is limited, so getting a spot can be a challenge, especially in the summer. There are plenty of trail maps. The famous Baden-Powell Trail goes through here.
Man, these are some seriously icy steps. Look at that.
I decided to take this trip in winter because of the recent snowfall. The place looks magical when the trees are all covered in snow. Winter hiking has its own set of challenges, and I knew that. But as you'll see, I didn't know what I was getting into. Almost all the trails have wooden stairs and walkways. This is a great place to go to get a decent workout hike in drier conditions, as you can do a big loop around the park and finish right where you started. But when the trails are covered in snow like this, it's really slippery. If I slip and fall, you'll hear me say, "Sorry if I offended anyone."
It's a lot slipperier here than I thought it was going to be. This isn't snow, this is ice. Why I chose to do this today, I'll never know.
The gimbal I'm using really smooths out the footage when you're walking like this. But I know this is a bit boring to watch, so let's speed it up a bit. These stairs were covered in solid ice. That's why I'm going so slow. In the summer, I like to go for a brisk hike through here, but not now.
I wasn't expecting this today. I thought it would have been deep snow, not solid ice, like this. I need crampons.
If you don't know what crampons are, this is what they look like. I sure could have used them today. This is a natural winter wonderland, and lots of people come out here to play. Dogs, kids, horses, everybody. Okay, let's speed it up again here. Twin Falls is a nice place to stop and enjoy the scenery. I love the way the water looks green like this. There are lots of places to soak up the natural beauty, but there's the one main attraction to Lynn Canyon that everybody comes here for.
Here I am at the centerpiece of Lynn Canyon, the suspension bridge.
Don't try this if you're scared of heights. Everyone wants to stop in the middle and take pictures, including me. So it always gets crowded. Okay, hurry up, take your picture and move along, please. Hey, thanks for cutting right in front of me, buddy. Once you get to the east side of the bridge, the trails go off in all directions. You can go for a long trek in the wilderness if you want, but be prepared.
Back to the lodge here, time for coffee. But I'm not going here. I'm going to a favorite coffee shop of mine, Bean Around the World.
And it started to snow again. Bean Around the World is a popular hangout for the locals, especially us mountain bikers. On any given day you'll see lots of cyclists here. These guys must have balls of steel to try riding their bikes in the snow. I'm tempted to try it, but it's a bit too treacherous for me. Okay, that about wraps it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Now get out there and do some winter hiking.
Whoa, 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 whoa!